Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this hexagonal box, I think you call it. It's made of Tas oak, which are old floorboards that I got from my niece's old house. She's pulling down so she can build a new one. So I've made her a keepsake box and I've lasered their names in the face of it. Come along, I'll show you exactly how to make this box. Pulling up some of the old floorboards now. Bloody, they were hard to get up. They were nailed down so well. Come on, Dad. Put your back into it. Watch yourself. And no, I'm not as young as what I used to be, guys. Lucky I only needed a few. Damn, they were hard to get up. There it goes. Oh. Tell you what, guys, they're nailed down pretty good. Luckily I'm only making a box that doesn't move the floorboard. It's bloody hard. This timber's been there for so long and it's so heavy. It's very dense ash, I think. I'm back from my niece's house. I've got 6 or 7 boards of Tas oak flooring. Bloody hard stuff. Got a heap of nails in it, but I'll just cut them out now. But the boxes are going to be in between the nails. Look at that, guys. They come out great. Not a flaw in that timber. And just cutting it roughly to length now. A good looking box, isn't it? Made of the old floorboards. A hexagonal box, I think you call it. I'll cut these down to about 70mm. Then put them through the thicknesser, put a groove in them, and cut the angles on them. And we'll take it from there. And just cutting them on the saw now, just ripping the tongue off them first. That's the beauty of a sliding table saw, you can straighten the edge really quick. And it's up against the fence, and it's all parallel. How good's that? And just gluing them up now for the top. And with the Bessie cramps. And whacking some of the timber through the thicknesser, as I do. I'm not going to tell you how much I love that machine, but I love that machine. And cutting the angles now, 22.5 degrees. So as you see how I'm fitting the pieces to the pattern itself. They don't have to be perfect, but the box can end up being a bit bigger or a bit smaller, it doesn't matter. As long as they're all cut at 22.5, and then I'll just cut the ones in between. Yep, and here I am cutting some more at 22.5, cutting the ends. See how I cramped them down? But they're very small. You don't want to hold them. Okay guys, I've got the box cut. There's no way that you can cramp this, it just won't come up. So you just got to tape each piece as you go. And then just let it sit and dry. So all you can do. Another day, and box come up well again, I think. Well, we'll unpack it now. And I think it come up good. Yeah, nice and tight. I've got the top lid cut for it, that's all been in the cramp. So I cut that roughly now and then plane it up and sand it up. And then cut it to shape. And then, yeah, we'll take it from there. Now I'll just turn the box upside down. I'll mark it out and then just cut it to the lines. And then I'm going to put a moulding around it. And then hinge it. I'm going to do some laser work on this box for my niece. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Okay, just cutting the corners off now to the lines. Very simple. Setting it up and just cutting it. Guys, I've set the lid up in the laser to engrave the words Caroline and Anthony. Yeah, look at the laser go. I like that laser a lot. It's a fairly powerful one. It's an 80 watt. Simple little box made from the flooring from the old house. I've inscribed their names on the lid. So there's something to remember their old house by. And just spraying it up now. Look at that, guys, all finished. All finished. Box them up great as normal. With I lasered their names on the lid just to give us some pizzazz. But mate, look at the timber, not one blemish in it. Damn, they used to make floorboards out of A-grade timber in those days. Now, not so much. But anyway, that's just come up well, hasn't it? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm only a new channel, as you know. And I'm looking for all the subscribers I can get. I'm trying to give value for your time. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye for now.